Get ready!
You shine brighter than the stars back on Planet X.
That may very well be the kindest thing anyone has ever said about me.
I'm just glad you were able to understand me.
Of course I could, darling. After all.
The battle starts in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Intruders detected.
Queen, mother, perfection. I answer to all three. Look who's here. I suppose that helps.
And maybe a foot.
Looks like the mission area is yours to capture now.
Oh, good boy, Petey.
Love that healing feeling.
Down, will ya?
Peter! He'll know you! Mission area is yours!
Pretty bad over here. Down goes their accuracy percentage.
I'm an easy target.
May the these waves will
Hello, darling.
in your face.
You captured more than half of the mission area. Keep going.
They're behind us. Look who's here.
Much better.
That definitely helps. My health is low.
We are undefeatable!
Does that help?
Let's keep fighting until we have a winner!
Down goes their accuracy percentage.
Keep that up, Namor.
That's a bad luck! Gotcha!
That definitely helps.
Gotcha!
I'll tell you when I'm ready. Jeez.
30 seconds before you attack. Get ready!
It's good to see another woman building an empire, even if it is a criminal one.
Watch who you're calling a criminal. I prefer high-end acquisition specialist.
Really? And what is it you hope to acquire most, darling? Jewelry?
The battle starts in 5,
Those two
4,
things go together
3, 2,
You of all
1.
people should know that.
All you need to do is capture the mission area. Got it?
Oh, Drax is gonna be so mad he missed this. Oh boy. Healing factor can't keep up. How about an assist? Oh, nothing. Born again!
Mission area is yours to capture now. The mission area is yours.
Yeah.
We are Groot.
I suppose that helps.
Here's some love here. Down, Skeletor! Accuracy percentage! Oh yeah, baby. I'm hurting pretty
That
bad
was
over
annoying,
here.
Wade. That doesn't
You were outclassed. I was fine, but thank you.
You captured more than half of the mission.
What are you aiming
Keep
at?
going.
It's clobbering time! That's the stuff.
That was annoying, Wade. Let it rest.
I'm hulking out!